So tomorrow we are off to Farnham Heath and we're taking the kids to explore the grounds there, and I particularly want them to see the Walter Bailey installation there. So we're based in Surrey, and basically we've done a lot of staycations, but the kids are finally at an age where they can actually do like short walks, say perhaps a mile and a half thereabouts. And so during lockdown we went to Farnham Hill, which we quite enjoyed, and then I took them to specifically Surrey Hills to do the art trail, which they really enjoyed. We didn't do the entire walk because it's roughly just over 6 miles, but we were able to see 2 pieces. And I thought a nice follow-up to that would be to go to Farnham Heath and see one of Walter Bailey's pieces, because we couldn't actually see the one that is part of the art trail. So usually when we're going on a day trip, we're not really morning people. So I try to do as much as possible the night before, and that would be like packing lunches, sorting out what we're going to wear, what gear we need, and anything that makes getting up and just being ready to leave the morning is much easier. Valley, could you come please? Can you pass me an apple?
Hey guys.
Yeah, and I think Angela might want one too. Could I have one for him? Thanks. So, Val, Angela, today we're going to Farnham Heath, and like I mentioned earlier, it's like a nature reserve, and there's also a woodland and some art installation. Now, when we go on our nature walks, what do you look forward to?
I look forward to look if there's any butterflies or caterpillars, because I love to look at butterflies and caterpillars because they're beautiful.
How about you, Angela? What do you look forward to on nature walks?
On nature walks, I like making up games that Val and me can play, and when we make them up, they're really, really fun.
What do you think about when we look at the art in the forest and in the woodlands?
I like the art a lot because it's really, really modern.
I think what I'm looking forward to most is just, I like seeing how you guys play in the forest, and that's one of the reasons that I like to go, because it's interesting to see the games that you all make up, but also looking for mini beasts as well. I quite like that, looking for butterflies and dragonflies.
I love doing that.
Yeah, it's good fun, isn't it? We're at Farnham Heath today, and the idea is, because the kids and I weren't able to do the full inspiring views walk, because like I said, it's about sorry that's Instagram. So because the inspiring views walk is just over 6 miles, we couldn't make it to the Walter Bailey piece, which I think is called Xylem, and it's like a bench. So I thought instead we'd come here to the nature reserve, so we get 2 aspects: the kids, just exploring the woodland, but also at some point in there is a Walter Bailey piece which is a bit bigger. It's called Invisible Hands, and the idea behind it is just harking back to the history of making forest glass, and I thought that would be interesting for the kids to see. So we would, what's in there? Oh, okay. So yeah, so we'll show you the sights along the way. this is the end of our day out to Frensham Heath. We had a look at Walter Bailey's installation called Invisible Hands. We quickly popped over to Frensham to have a look at the Great Pond there. So kids, what was your best bit?
My best bit was really when we were at the pond, maybe.
The pond? Did you like the sand there?
Yeah.
I liked it when Val and me were in the sculptures areas, because then in one of the areas we built a campsite.
That was my second favourite.
Yeah, that was really cool.
I really actually just loved everything.
Okay, so if you like our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell and leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Until next time, take care.
Bye.
Bye.